Hello again, everyone. This is Joe Henches with Beyond the Chart, and this is Stock Trade Ideas for the week of December 29th. And this last couple days of the year, and today is Sunday, December 28th. We're going to take a look at two that we exited last week, Alibaba and YHOO. One I'm in on YY, and another one on CREE. So we're going to start off here with Alibaba. I got into Alibaba and YHOO with calls on the 19th. I think it was, right in here. Thought I was getting a breakout. Got a couple closes here above this 10. Had a nice break of the trend line in here. I really thought it was getting ready to make another move to the upside. And it just pulled on back down and closed down below the 10 here. And this is where I stopped myself out. I think I had a two-day low close below the two-day low is what I was working as an exit. A little tighter than normal, but it's what I used on this trade, and it stopped me out. So that one didn't work. The same thing on YHOO, similar type pattern, and again we're breaking trend lines. What could be happening here is that it's getting a little more complex in terms of the corrective action sideways move. And that's always the risk you run into after you've made a top here. You just don't know. I mean, you think that you're getting a break to the upside, breaking that trend line and getting the closes above the 20 or above the 10. I'm sorry, but it just didn't want to run. Now, YHOO on the other hand, it's come back a little bit and it's really kind of gone sideways. So we did get stopped out here on the 23rd also. So we're out of both of those trades. And YY, I am currently in. YY, again, trying to trade with the intermediate trend in here. The 21 is down pretty hard. The 55 is here slanting down, trending down. Looks like it's about to break below the 233. So I consider the intermediate trend to be the 21 below the 55. Now the short-term trend, the 10 is below the 21, also in here. So this is trending down, and the intermediate trend has been down since the beginning of October, really. Yeah, it's bounced around a little bit, but it is trending down, lower lows, lower high here. So right now, I got in at, I think right at this close, I think it was 1224. So we must have gone in here the next morning after this close. Looking to get follow through more to the downside. Now it hasn't happened, and what I don't know is because of the low volume days of trading here in the holiday that we're just not getting the follow through, just not getting the action. I'm not sure. So right now I've got a stop. I'll be adjusting in here, lowering it from my initial stop, and we'll see if we can. Right now I'm looking for this to continue to the downside. And we'll see whether we get that action or not, and that's YY. Now CREE, on the other hand, CREE is another one where again I'm looking for continuation to the downside. Let me blow it up a little bit for you. The blue-gray line here has actually broken below the red line, and actually I want to make that one a little bit redder. That's what I'm trying to do. So it's so again the 21's breaking below the 55. We're getting this close below these last 2 days and below this this high bar here. I'm looking for continuation to the downside with this trend, and that's the play. And when I saw this about to close like this, closing below this low here, that's where I entered right at the close. So literally, you could consider the entry right at the close price here at $31.99 on Friday, and so that's the. Now, if this gaps down tomorrow morning, I would hesitate to dive right in and follow it down. If it gaps, you just don't know what's going to happen, and so we'll have to see how it trades tomorrow morning. But that's the trade idea on CREE. So again, on CREE and YY, trying to stay with the intermediate trend, trying to stay with that path of the downside, feeling like that's the path of least resistance right now, at least in those two stocks, let's put it that way. And of course, like I talked about, Alibaba and YHOO. That's it for now, for this week. If something else develops, I will definitely tweet it, post it. So Right now for this week, again, shortened holiday week, I'm going to only put out a video on video/post on Wednesday to cover really 2 days worth of market action. I think it's a half day again on Wednesday is my guess. I haven't double checked it, but I'm pretty sure that's what they're doing on New Year's Eve. I'm going to put out a post on New Year's Eve, last day of the year, and then I'll be back on Saturday with another video and wrap up of the week. So that's going to be it for this week, and we'll talk to you again on Wednesday. Everyone have a great Monday, Tuesday.